Hi guys, my name is Natalie and I am going to be doing a tutorial on this blue eye. I have two different eye colors because I did a tutorial on this one in another video. So I will link it down below so you guys can go watch it. I know this is weird, but I did not just want to do one look because I'm going to take this off right after I finished doing this video. That is why I did two different looks. If you guys want to see how I got this blue glitter eyeshadow, please keep watching this video and don't forget to subscribe when you guys are done watching this video. So I am going to start with my Morphe 35b palette and I am going to go in with this turquoise blue all over the lid. Then I am going to take this dark blue and put it on my outer corner. And I am going to be blending it out with that turquoise. And I am just going to keep doing that until it is where I want it to be. Here I am applying some more of the dark blue and blending it out. Then I am going to take the shimmery blue and apply with my finger. And now I am taking my Too Faced glitter glue and then I am going to apply this blue glitter from Amazon. And I am just packing it on. It took off the shimmery blue, but it's okay because it wasn't going to show anyway. Here I am doing my concealer, and you guys, I regret doing this so much. Why didn't I just do both eyes? I don't understand. But here I am putting the dark blue under my eye for the lower lash line, and then I am applying mascara and getting ready for lashes. And here I am going to put my highlight and then I am applying lashes. So this is the look for the other eye. I know I look weird, but at least I have two looks now instead of just one having to take it off. So I hope you guys don't think I'm weird, even though I am weird, like, you know. Please like and go watch my other video for this eye. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!